Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to start a Shopify free trial. If you want to try Shopify, you can use the link in the description or pinned comment to get a free trial plus 3 months for only $1 per month. It's a great way to follow this tutorial and test Shopify without paying full price right away. Just click the link below and create your store from there. Okay, again, maybe you've missed it. You can go ahead and click on the link in the description or pinned comments so that a coupon code will be directly tied to your account. You can just click on it and a new page will load. So all you got to do is just enter your email address right here and then just click on next. Wait a bit. And then after that, just continue with the sign up process. Once that's done, in no time, you'll have your Shopify account. That's just basically it. Now, if you want to start the free trial, okay, as you can see here, you're just using it for 3 days. You got to click on select plan. As you can subscribe, just paying $1, okay, and be using the plan for 3 months, okay? So if I were you, I'm going to go and select advanced right here, as this got a ton of perks, okay? So go ahead and click on select advanced. Wait for it to load. You can go ahead and click on PayPal right here at the very top or connect your credit or debit card. Enter your first name, last name, card number, month, year, CVV, address, postal code, and then just click on subscribe. And then once that's done, once you've done the payment section, you can go ahead and go to settings. Now click on plan right here, and you should now be able to see that you are now subscribed. Okay? That is how you start the Shopify free trial. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.